In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and find the invoice on the Amazon app for a specific product. So here's what you need to do. So open up the Amazon app. I'm on the app right now. And then you need to go to the three lines in the bottom right hand corner and then click on your orders. If you don't see it in your shortcuts, you can go to the profile looking icon. And then here you'll be on your profile and you can click on your orders. Once you're on your orders, go to filter and then filter through the time that you ordered the product. So mine is 2024. And we can then click on the product that you ordered. I'm going to click on this universal travel adapter. And once you click on it, you'll be then able to scroll down and under order info, you will see download invoice. So click on download invoice. Then it will ask you to download documents. Click on that. And then here you go. Here is your invoice, which I would have had to blur. But that is how you do it. I hope that helps.